Hi there, I'm Prasang, and I designed this landing page for Sentient, which is a Web3 X AI venture pushing the boundaries of decentralized AGI. Let me walk you through the design and key decisions behind this page. We kicked off with a strong hero section. The headline is bold and direct, but what makes it click is the contrast to the call to action buttons chat versus build. These two parts are visually balanced, hinting at the dual nature of the product. Just below that, we drop straight into the product, which is the chat interface. This isn't hidden deep inside this web page, it's right up front. The default model is also shown on the top left. The input bar is clean, and the dark UI theme continues here for visual continuity. Motion is minimal but purposeful, keeping the focus on interaction and not on ornamentation. Then comes the social proof, the logos of the world class teams that have engaged with Sentient. It's subtle and grayscale to keep the visual hierarchy intact, but it's there to drive confidence among the users. As we scroll, the tone shifts into philosophy, AGI that benefits humanity and not corporations. This isn't just a tagline, it anchors the brand's core intent. In the first card, we see open source by nature. You'll notice a central circle with rotating rings and smaller nodes rising upwards. This is a visual metaphor for a modular, auditable system which is also community driven. In the second card next to that, designed, decentralized by design, we show two rows of connected blocks rotating in opposite direction with a fingerprint icon surfacing in a few. This symbolizes on-chain governance and model provenance, which is one of the key aspects of Sentience AGI. Below that, we dive into the product ecosystem with three cards. First one, we have the Adobe LLMs. Here the graphic shows a signal traveling from a human brain to an AI head, representing the intent alignment and loyalty towards human goals. The protocol card uses a pulse animation from central node to its surrounding, reinforcing the theme of decentralized verification. And the fingerprint card walks you through a visual flow. A dot travels from fingerprint to lock that unlocks, and finally to a server. This illustrates how ownership is verified before usage, beautifully compact as well as self explanatory. From there, we move into roadmap. It is built linearly, clean, and spaced for digestibility. It helps user track sentience momentum, which you can see that this pulse is highlighting that currently we are about to launch the sentient protocol. Then comes the builder program section. It has stats, CTAs, and live testimonials in the form of a vertical carousel. You can see that there are two CTAs over here. One is the primary CTA for applying. Another one is a secondary CTA which will redirect the user to the toolkit. We close with the FAQ section to clear friction. There is a subtle animation in the FAQ section as well. And then we move to the footer section. So in the footer, you can see that there are two CTAs and there are social links, some important links, as well as there is a subtle rotating animation in the footer. This is the logo of Sentient. Now let's go back to the top. You'll notice that this logo appears again in the hero section. It is subtle and it is rotating in the backdrop, kind of like an Easter egg. So the design language is dark, it's futuristic and minimal, but never over designed. The micro interactions like these are used to support comprehension but not distract from it. Every section was designed to speak to both the builders and to the users with clarity, intent, and a visual balance. So, yeah, that's the walkthrough. Hope it gives you insight into thinking behind this redesign. And thank you so much for watching.